OliDBG tool. So this is that I'm going to crack this file. So this is a meaningless one, so I'm going to copy this one. We need to find the meaning. I'm going to paste it and translate into I'm going to translate into English. You can see, please enter the password to access the content. So we need to enter that password. I'm going to enter password, any password, it can be 123. So it's failed. So now I'm going to use this debugging tool to find that password using this tool. So let's see how to do it. I'm going to open that file, this file. We need to wait. I'm going to terminate this one. So it's open. So now I'm going to do that. We need to investigate this file. I'm going to top. We need to investigate this file top to bottom. So let's check one by one. We need to find meaningful details, informations. So so you can see that after enter that open that file, these informations. So guys, in here you can see that call function after input some information details is installed in here, move into here, this EAX register. So you can see the D word, and there is a comparison. You can see there is a comparison D word and some local.1. So I'm going to check the same one. Let's see. Yeah, in here you can see move, D forward, D word, and local.1. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to copy this one, these last numbers, and close it. I'm going to rerun that file. I'm going to paste it and press enter. So that one is not that password. So we need to let's check. We need to convert into. I'm going to convert, use a converter. So let's check. I'm going to convert into hexa to decimal. Yes, let's check hexa to decimal. I'm going to paste it in here and convert. So this is one is a meaningful one. So I'm going to copy this one also, and I'm going to rerun that okay. I'm going to stop this one, and I'm going to rerun that. I'm going to paste it in that password, press enter. So that's our password, because it is showing that true. So that's how find that password using OliDebugging tool. So thank you guys. Please watch my next video, then you can get more information. Hello guys, so today I'm going to do another tutorial using OliDBG tool. So I'm going to crack another application file. So this is the file. So it is showing press enter to start. I'm going to press enter, and what is your username, and do not add space to make it easier. I'm going to give a username. I'm going to give any username, and what is the password. Actually we don't know the password yet, so we need to find the password. So but I'm going to give a password. Let's see. Fail, try again, and you have 9 guesses left. So I'm going to give another password, 123. That's one also wrong. So we need to find that password. So I'm going to use that Oli debugging tool, so to crack this application. Let's see how to do it. So I'm going to open that file. Okay, now we need to find that meaningful information this file. So we need to check in top to bottom. Let's see what are the meaningful information inside this tool, this application. Yes, you can see after run that program application, you can see that crack me daddy 2 version 2 and v2. What is your username, and do not add space to make it easier, these information. And in here you can see what is the password, and if it is that password is correct, congrats, you got it. But we didn't got that message because we don't know the password. And that's after put a wrong password, it is showing that failed message. And in here you can see that a hint, it is saying that the password is the same as what you are seeing in the first register in IDA. So guys, in here you can see after input that username, it is calling in here, and after give that password in, it is calling here. This program is start to run in this is the top this is the beginning point. So this program you can see some loops. So I'm going to give some breakpoints to find our password. So I'm going to give a breakpoint for this. In here you can see this loop. You don't need to double click in this line. In here I'm going to give this breakpoint to here, and I'm going to give another breakpoint for this loop, and I'm going to give another breakpoint for this loop. So guys, now I'm going to run that program again. Okay, press enter. I'm going to give a username. So I'm going to give same username. So I'm going to give this username. So it's break in this first break point. So in here you can see in skdump that given username. So you need to give that in here you need to give that show skdump. After that in here can you see that given username. So I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to rerun this program again. I'm going to rerun that program again. You can you see it's changed that given username, the OG in here, OGDI in here, OGDIN /. So I'm going to copy this one into notepad. So I'm going to copy this one. This can be our password. So I'm going to run this program again. So now I'm going to paste that password. Let's see. Yes, congrats, you got it. The password was really OGDI /. This is how to get that password using OLEDBG tool to crack that application. So actually guys, after give another username like test, then it this password is changed, is generate another password like using some tool. So try using another username and try this application using this OLED debugging tool. Try another usernames, different usernames. So thank you guys watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and please watch my previous video using about this OLED DBG tool. And thank you guys. Hello guys, so today I'm going to do my third tutorial in OLEDBG tool using so I'm going to crack another application, exe file application. So this is the that file. So press enter to start. I'm going to press enter. So crack me daddy. So what is the password? I'm going to give the password. Actually we don't know the password. I'm going to give 123. So it's failed. The password has changed. You have 2 guesses left. So guys, now I'm going to use this debugging tool to crack this OLEDBG tool to crack this application. So I'm going to open this application. Okay, now we need to go to top, and I'm going to find the meaningful information. So please watch my previous videos. So let's see. Okay, you can see, press enter to start that crack me daddy. So we need to go to here. You can see what is the password. So you can see some loops in here, and some after enter password is called in here, is stored in here. So guys, I'm going to give a breakpoint in here, and I'm going to give another breakpoint in here. So guys, now I'm going to run this program again. Okay, I'm going to give password again 123. Okay, so guys, can you see these ASCII values? So you need to give a show ASCII dump. Then in here, can you see this value 5 and this value, and end with this letter S? So in this ASCII value dump, can you see in this row these lines? Can you see these start letter, it start number 5 in here 5 and end with letter S. There is a 4 lines. Can you see? So now I'm going to run this program again, so it may be change or not. So let's see, is it change or not. So guys, I'm going to run this program again. Okay, now I'm going to remove this breakpoint. Can you see it's change? The previous value is start that number 5 end with S, but is changed into A to that 3 and A. We need to copy this value. I'm going to copy it to notepad. I'm going to copy it. We need to set in one line 3 and these letters and okay, I'm going to copy this one, and I'm going to give this password, press enter. So guys, now we need to run this program again. After enter that password, I'm going to run it. So can you see we got that password? So congrats, you got it. The password was really this is the password. So this is how to crack this password using Oli debugging tool. So please watch my previous videos, then you can get better idea. So guys, thank you watching for this video. Please subscribe my channel and please comment and share. So thank you guys. So guys, this is my fourth tutorial in ODBG tool. So how to crack application, the application. So this is the application. I'm going to crack this application. So we don't know that, still we don't know the password. We'll come to my crack me, enter the password. I'm going to enter password. So that's the wrong password, actually we don't know the password. So I'm going to use this tool to find the password. So we need to open that crack me file. So I'm going to open it. Okay, now we need to go to top and we need to get meaningful information. So please watch my previous videos and then you can get a better idea, Here you can see that details. Welcome to my crack me, enter the password. So after enter password, it's a call in here, it's stored in here. You can see some comparisons with dword ptr with a 0, and you can see this move dword ptr is the ex is moving to the pointer, some pointer value. So guys, I'm going to give a breakpoint in here and I'm going to run this program again. Now I'm going to run this program. So I'm going to enter a password, the same password. Okay, as you can see this in ASCII dump values, can you see there is a entered password, and in here you can see the password 123. I'm going to that in here the call position, I'm going to move into here. Can you see it's compare with this password? So this should be our password. So I'm going to run this program again. I'm going to enter that password. I'm going to enter that password. So password 123, and we need to run it again. I'm going to run this program. Can you see? Enter the password password 123. Congrats, you cracked the password. This is how to crack this password using ODBG tool. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and please comment and share. So thank you guys.